most unprecedented, most unprepared, most devastating, life altering. One would fall short of words to be able to try and describe what the last year and a half has been for the entire humankind. We would have not ever read about a pandemic. I didn't read about a pandemic and how to deal with it, whether in my MBBS days or whether it was in my psychiatry residency days. So, all of us, from healthcare providers to all of us, to government agencies, to all these experts and scientists, we were all completely shaken up by this experience of COVID. And I think that's the most humbling realization we should first have before we start talking about what next, what have we learned, how do we go forward. Initially, when people started talking about COVID, and then there was the first wave, during that time, we were very getting more prepared in a way, we were adjusting to it. We started talking about work from home, we shifted to online classes, we started using masks, we realized the value of social distancing. And then, somewhere after the first wave, we kind of lost our guard. And I think that's also a point that all of us need to understand, that in spite of the learnings that we've had, we did lose our guard. And an intelligent society needs to be a responsible society, needs to take ownership of their individual roles as well. And then the second wave happened, and I don't think any one of us is untouched. We've experienced illness firsthand, be it in our own family. I had families struggling with COVID, lost friends, cousins to COVID. So many people and their struggles of COVID, we've all experienced almost directly. I don't think anybody was untouched. I've always maintained this: a pandemic pan affects everybody. Each and every person gets impacted one way or the other. Yes, the intensity and the level of impact may well be different, but impact, it does happen. And the kind of anxieties we dealt with, मुझे कोविड ना हो जाए, फैमिली को ना हो जाए, अगर हो गया तो हमें ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, क्या ट्रीटमेंट अवेलेबल है, बेड्स की टेंशन, ऑक्सीजन की टेंशन, दवाइयों की टेंशन, all of these things is how we were all being impacted by COVID. And it did have a direct impact on our well-being, our mental health. Anxiety was a normal reaction, normal response. मैंने बहुत बार लोगों को बोला है कि लाइफ में जब कोई बड़ी परेशानी आती है, it is natural that anxiety आएगी, स्ट्रेस आएगा. एंजाइटी स्ट्रेस आएगा तब तो उसके बारे में हम कुछ करेंगे. So that anxiety, that what if something happens to me, was a real experience. A lot of people talk to me about losing sleep. Again, a natural sequel of changing lifestyle, the kind of pressures we were having. And we've experienced a lot of this during the last few months. We had never thought about lockdowns may happen. Years back, before COVID, young working people would come to me and say, sir, अपने लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, फैमिली के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, हॉबीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, कभी तो ऐसा हो कि एक वर्क फ्रॉम होम हो, शायद एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा ऑफ हो. एंड देन व्हेन कोविड हैपेंड एंड नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट बाहर जाना है, लोगों से मिलना है. कोविड gave us that learning as well. Try and maintain, try and learn, try and realize the importance of what are truly important things. And I think that's something we need to understand as well. That COVID continued to give us learnings. हम जब सीखते गए तो हम आगे बढ़ते गए. जहाँ हमने थोड़ी सी चूक कर दी, we lost our guard. And then it became a whole vicious cycle, a cascading effect of the devastation that we've seen in the past. मुझे लगता है that it's important that we understand some of these things. One, anxiety is a natural, normal reaction. Understand it. Second, deal with the anxiety. How do you deal with the anxiety? Focus on here and now, one day at a time. Have a good day, a productive day. Let's prepare for only tomorrow, then day after, one day at a time. Uncertainty is a reality in today's times. Why? Because nobody knows. It's an evolving situation. So rather than worrying about tomorrow, focus on today and create a work-life balance. Whether you are a student or a working adult, create a balance, a rhythm to life, a routine to life. Get up on time, sleep on time, fill in your day with some me time, socializing through the digital interface, doing your work, short spurts. In fact, I have been telling people these aspects that they can look into: workstation, work window, work breaks. Figure out from which part of your home you want to do work. Take multiple breaks, start and end time, fix it so that neither do you start very late and keep on lingering on and word keeps on getting delayed and you get procrastinations happening and you get dull, or you just don't add and end your time and it just continues and आप बस काम ही चलते रहता है, ऐसा लगता है कि स्विच ऑफ नहीं हो रहा है. So this helps. Physical activity, diet, all of that helps. Yoga, pranayam helps. But the key is understanding the importance of self-care. औरों का ध्यान रखने के लिए अपना ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अपना ध्यान रखेंगे तब तो कहीं औरों का रख पाएंगे. So all of these things we've gone through. So if you next time feel anxious, talk to someone. If you are worried about uncertainty, focus on today. If you need a break, go take it and do something that you like. That's how you take care of yourself, and always be available for your loved ones. Be there. Be there, because like how I have been struggling or you have been struggling, somebody else may also have been struggling, and for us to be there, to be able to take care of them, will make a huge impact in their lives. But I want all of us to be optimistic, all of us to be learners. So ये सोचते हैं कि कोविड से सीखा क्या. मुझे लगता है जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ हमने सीखी, हमारे में ट्रिमेंडस कैपेसिटी है अडेप्ट करने की. वी अडेप्टेड. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, डिजिटल इंटरफेस, all of this virtually happened overnight, and we were able to continue the cycle of life, which is a remarkable thing. So adaptability, हम में है resilience, adaptability है. We just need to keep reminding ourselves of that. इनफैक्ट मुझे लगता है सालों बाद अपने ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन को जब कहानियाँ सुनाएंगे तो ये बताएंगे कि कोविड के वक्त हमने इस तरह से टाइम बिताया था, इस तरह से चीज़ें मैनेज करी थी. सेकेंड लर्निंग, Samaritans. So many people have helped so many people. It's humbling, overwhelming, and this is what a society truly is about. Mental health is not just about individuals, it's about our collective also. So the way people helped each other, especially young people, whether it was with tablets and beds or helping senior citizens, supporting people who were struggling, who had isolation, the stories are tremendous. Colleagues helping, alumni helping. Learn from this, because this will make us realize that there is goodness in us, a goodness. We need to keep digging into ourselves and keep the goodness out of our closet, because this togetherness is our power. If today we are out of the second wave, it's because we are together and we are fighting together, and that's something we need to understand. Third thing, look at the way the healthcare workers, healthcare community served us. With humility, with gratitude, always be grateful and thankful, because tremendous work they did that you and I today are talking to each other. We learned that digital interface can be used positively and productively, that life is beyond scrolling, life is beyond trolling, life is beyond negative messaging, life is beyond selfies. फॉलोअर्स कितने होते हैं उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, लाइक्स कितने होते हैं उससे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. सही समय पे सही पर्सन हमारी हेल्प कर पाए, उससे फर्क पड़ता है। सही पर्सन के साथ हम कनेक्टेड रहें, ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ रिलेशनशिप समझ में आया हमको, दोनों चीजें समझ में आई। ट्रू रिलेशनशिप्स, मीनिंग ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स, किन लोगों के साथ हमें इन्वेस्ट करना है अपने रिलेशनशिप में, फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, एलुमनाई, नेबर्स, यही हैं पिलर्स हमारी जिंदगी की। ये सीखा हमने, और हमने ये सीखा दैट सोशल मीडिया कैन बी यूज्ड पॉजिटिवली टू स्प्रेड इंफॉर्मेशन, to spread positive messages, to encourage people. And we used our digital interface to stay connected, video calls with people in isolation, long distance relatives and cousins ke saath, we were able to stay in touch, give them positivity. All of this is something we learned. These are things we need to remind ourselves that there was this positivity all around. In fact, I believe children have handled COVID tremendously well, and I think they can well be our teachers to deal with stress in the future. See how they've handled 1.5 years studying within the indoors, not going out. These are remarkable resilient stories for all of us. We should never forget this. We also learned minimalistic living possible है, अपने घर का ध्यान हम खुद रख सकते हैं, और हम बेसिक्स के साथ भी एक बहुत अच्छी जिंदगी जी सकते हैं. That also something we learned. All of this, it's the way you look at it. Yes, there was devastation, and yes, there was loss. Yes, it was unprecedented, anxiety provoking. But yes, the vaccine happened so soon. Yes, when people were told to take care and support each other, they were able to do it. So that leads us to the next question. Ab kya? What next? So what next? Most important, COVID is still here. So how do we contribute in the fight of COVID is a question you and I need to ask ourselves. Like I said, mental health is not just about me. It's about us as well. So first thing, be responsible. Take ownership of your own behavior. COVID appropriate behavior. हम अपना guard lose नहीं करेंगे. We will be connected. The connection will be our wiring. The human connection, which is going to beat the chain of the virus. So COVID appropriate behavior and vaccination, responsibility, अपनी भी, अपने परिवार की भी, अपने friends की भी, अपने employees की भी, अपने colleagues की भी, we will make sure that all of us together make sure we won't lose a guard. We will not let the third wave happen. As long as whatever we can do, we try and do it. But next to that or beyond that, what else have we learned? We don't need a pandemic to prioritize mental health. We need to prioritize mental health. हमारी well-being, और हमारी well-being कैसे होती है? Support system से. Support system, meaningful relationships, time spent करने से. By having good self-care, routine rhythm of life, investing into our own selves also, taking care of our daily routines, staying positive, seeking help. All of these are tips to take care of our own mental health, and never hesitate to seek help and unmute yourself. A hesitation happens, a distress happens, an anxiety happens. बात करो, किसी ना किसी से बात करो. All of this is what COVID has taught us. So moving from here, where do we go? How about a post-COVID version of humankind? A version that is responsible. An upgraded version of us that's positive, that believes in hope, but understands resilience, success is about togetherness. Together we can, only if together we keep trying. So all the little I's, mera main, aapka aap, all these I's, all of these need to become one so that we become an us, we. And that's the key learning of COVID. Individuals take individual responsibility, become a part of a larger collective with positivity, hope, optimism, and resilience. That's how we move forward. So yes, difficult times. Yes, there may be challenging times that may be around the corner, but there is a learning, and that learning brings hope. So with that, let's move forward, but together.